Welcome to the Eurosender packaging guide for clothes. Prepare all the necessary packaging material and the clothes. Fold each piece of clothing. If you have a larger piece, you can wrap smaller items inside. Use a plastic bag that will protect the clothes. Alternatively, use a padded envelope or bubble wrap. Put the wrapped clothing items into a box. Once neatly packed, you can add some extra padding for better protection. Close and seal the box with adhesive tape. For additional protection, add adhesive tape on the sides as well. If you use an old box, remove all old shipping labels. Print the delivery address and stick it on one side. Leave space on the other side of the box for the courier to attach his label.